Hello, fellas. All right, I'm gonna be doing this video for anybody who's new, all new to SDR, more specifically the Thetis. Don't have time to be reading all through the forums and don't have anybody to ask. So today I'm just gonna be scrolling through the commercial AM band and show you examples of using the multi-tracking notch filter and how to add a filter and how to use it. So this is what I do. All right, so. I won't talk too much. I'll just kind of narrate what I'm doing. All right, just random stations on the commercial AM band. All right, turn this up.
Yourself every morning and look in the mirror and say, "I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this." Start driving around a plot of land.
Okay, I hear a nasty tone in there, so we're gonna zoom in on this station.
I drove around this building I'm in right now every day after my show. I've been sitting in my car that I got out there. I sit in it every day at the dealership, and I own both of these.
How'd I get in there?
I love y'all. Talk to y'all tomorrow. I'm out.
Okay, you're going to hear a tone. If you hear a tone in there, you're going to be looking for a constant spike, a non-varying spike. And I found it right there. Zoom in a little more. Okay, turn the volume up.
Possible to win next year's mortgage or rent.
This year, we've raised the grand prize to $18,000.
Increase your opportunity to win when you enter a...
Okay, so I'm going to come down, turn this on, turn on the multi-track and notch filter. Okay, now we have to add a filter. It's going to appear somewhere on the screen. There it is. So I'm just going to left click and drag until it's over top of that spike. There you go. And turn it off.
Because at Goodwill, every item you buy funds local job training and more. So bring home those donut earrings and bring home so much.
Okay, now to increase the width of that filter, the easiest way, you can hover right over the edge here, click and drag, left click and drag. But what I find is easier, just hover over anywhere in the green, right click, and right here you can adjust how wide the filter is. Okay. And then delete. Let's do it again. So that's what I'm going to be doing here in these following examples. Just having fun here. That's what it's all about.
It's offensive. The head of Shamir Medical Center, Dr. Osnat Levzion Korak, says she hopes all the remaining hostages will be released.
We are
Click and drag over the spike.
We're very honored and privileged to be the hospital that was chosen.
Right click.
To treat.
This is easier for me to click on. I'm going to slide this so it's a little bit wider.
And we're praying and longing for the return of the 15 remaining guys that are still in captivity.
Start over. Let's go to another channel here. Now I'm going to right click, delete. And okay, let's go to another example here.
By Hamas and returned to Israel Tuesday evening, soon after Israel released the Palestinian prisoners.
For now,
More Americans come out. White House National Security spokesman John Kirby. Israel freed more than 30 Palestinian prisoners and more hostages.
Wow, there's a lot going on there. All right, let's try this again.
Humanitarian
add a filter.
Arrived by U.S. military aircraft today.
A U.S. Air Force C-17
wow, there's a lot going on.
54,000
let's add another filter.
Supplies ready to use food and other critical needs to Egypt, where UN trucks will transport that assistance.
I've got like 15 filters on here.
The U.S. is planning additional flights.
All right, I won't get too crazy with it. So there you go. I just found those non-varying spikes that will make that irritating heterodyne sound. And then, yeah, there you go. Turn it off.
Says the administration has mobilized $100 million in humanitarian assistance to help civilians impacted by the Hamas-Israel war.
There's a lot going on there. More I feel like fiddling with. Okay. All right, let's get in here. Let's delete those. Right-click, delete, hover over, right-click, delete. Okay. Find another station here.
America is listening to Fox News.
All right, randomly scrolling through.
In progress.
And you home equity loan.
Okay, there's another one. Can you hear that tone? Let's visually see where it is. Yep, there it is. Okay. Of course, make sure this is on. multi-tracking notch filter. Click add a filter. There it is, appears on the screen. We're going to left click and drag right over that spike. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Pretty cool. As you saw, you can have as many as you want.
Tap a specific amount of your home's equity without touching your low primary mortgage rate. Call
hover over.
now. Stop the fleecing.
Right click. Let's delete it.
Credit card debt now. Call 804-643 load. That's 804. 52 or detention.
Okay, that's my zooming on here. I see I can get rid of this just by narrowing the filter down here. But see if we can get rid of that. Okay, that's all up here, the spike. Alright, add a filter. Alright, we're gonna left click and drag. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Like I said, if you want to make it wider, you right click and change it in here. Presets. And there you go. So a quick example of how to add your use our multi-tracking notch filter, how to add a filter and adjust it. Pretty cool. Like I said, if you get a chance, come down on the AM band and practice. All right. With that said, I'm out of here. Hope you enjoyed.